Hi friends! We are going to be talking about food from all over the world, all over the earth. Alright? So, I'm going to read you this book called Food Around the World. Okay, one page at a time though, because it's a very big book. People live almost anywhere on the earth. They need shelter, food, and water to survive. Food comes from animals and plants. People eat grains, vegetables, fruit, milk products, fish, meat, and even insects. Interesting. I don't know if I'd eat a bug. The food pyramid is a guide to healthy eating. Food from animals is a good source of protein. Meat, fish, and milk products are high in protein. Meat and fish can be cooked in different ways. Some people cook it on the grill. Others enjoy stir-frying shrimp, beef, or pork with vegetables. That looks yummy. Cheese and yogurt are made from milk. They are a rich source of protein. Eggs are also a source of protein. People eat them boiled, fried, scrambled, and sometimes made into yummy desserts like custard and ice cream. Some people only eat plant foods. They are called vegetarians. Beans and nuts are good sources of protein. Plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, and grains are rich in carbohydrates. Fruits and vegetables can be eaten cooked or raw. Potatoes are vegetables rich in carbohydrates. People eat potatoes baked, whole, mashed, fried, and in salads. People need food and water to live. They need nourishing foods to keep their bodies healthy and their minds sharp. Grains are eaten by people all over the world. Some grains are made into cereal. The end. That was our book. So there were lots of different foods in there, friends. Some of them we could eat at home. Some of them maybe we don't eat, but we can try. Let's see a food in here. So look, I eat hamburgers at my house, but I don't eat that much stir fry. But it looks really good, so I'm gonna try it. It looks yummy. Yes, it's different, but it looks good. It's okay to try different things. It might be a little scary sometimes, but it's okay. Our mommies and our daddies, brothers, sisters, grandma, grandpa can help us with it, okay? Alright, I hope you guys enjoy cooking your foods today. Go ahead and work together, take turns, and just have a good time with it. Bye.